Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode on the HEK Land Solutions. So today we are actually going to do a little bit of tree work, a little bit different than normal. So we have teamed up with our good friend Zane Johnson. He is a master at taking out trees with a saw. So we have teamed up with him today. So he's basically going to do all the cutting, and we're going to do all the cleanup work with the Mini. So what we've got is we got one big sweet gum that he's about to take down right there. And we've also got two fairly good sized pine trees that we're going to take down. We're just going to let them fall straight into the woods per the customer's orders. So that'll make cleanup work so much easier. But yeah, that shouldn't be anything to getting these two down. This pine tree right here on the end is actually leaning towards the house just a little bit, but we should be able to get it to fall towards the woods. So after those three, we're going to come back and we got one pecan tree to take down, and then two more sweet gums right there in front of the sheds. So those should get a little more entertaining, but I think Zane is planning on getting a snatch block. He's got a winch on the front of his truck that he's going to take him out with. So we'll get started. There goes the first one. That was actually pretty hollow in the center.
I'll cut all the stumps off on these three last.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably come back next weekend and grind those.
It's just easier to cut them high for me. Just being able to work again, have them.
Yeah, that's fine. That cleanup worked pretty easy. Two pine trees next. And might be a little bit more cleanup work on those, just because they're a little further away from the head. But still shouldn't be nothing to them. Timber. Beautiful. That's a pretty good size log there. See what the mini's got. No problem. No problem. Get this last pine, get that tossed in the woods, and then we'll start on the pecan tree and then 2 sweet gums. cleanup work. Well, we can just toss it all in the woods. So we're getting everything lined up to take out this pecan tree. We've got a rope around this top notch up there. We got it anchored to that stump, that middle stump in front of us. We got a snatch block on it tied to the winch on the front of the truck. This one's leaning back towards the road pretty good bit. So he's gonna cut a little bit out of it and winch it a little bit, cut a little more, winch, keep on winching it. So it with that winch, the snatch block, it should pull right over. All right, so the little 1500 Nissan wasn't quite heavy enough, so we chained it to the ball, to the blade on the Mini X. Oh, she's about to go now. That's gonna be it. Should pull right over. There she goes. That's gonna be a little cleanup work to do. So Zane's got somebody that's gonna get this 16-foot piece of pecan. We'll grab it and set it next to the road. Don't take, I'm gonna take it home with me. I'm actually planning on building about a 250-gallon smoker, the offset smoker. So whatever that guy's not getting, I'm gonna take with me, and probably bust up for some wood. all this stacked back as far as we can. It'll all start to rot after a little while. Dane's got that one down already. Big old sweet gum. That next one's even bigger. Oh, lift it. Stay up there. That might be as far as that one's going. I could even roll it back some more. Yep, right there. Be the last tree of the day. shake when you drop those. Alright, that old Zane is good. He's good with the tree. Alright, we'll get this one cut up and cleaned up. All this cleanup work done. As you can see, I brought the skid steer bucket with me. Makes this cleanup work a lot easier. do this all by myself.
Time is money, Rob.
That's right. Move. We have got this finished up. We got everything raked, everything tossed into the woods. All that we got left to do is Zane is going around and cutting these cutting the stumps a little lower, and I'm gonna go toss them in the woods. And then probably come back in a couple weeks whenever I get my hands on the stump grinder, and we'll come take care of all these stumps. So we appreciate you guys watching. It's always good to team up with Zane and do jobs like this. Always good to, you know, team up with other contractors, other guys doing this line of work. So it's always a pleasure to see, you know, see how they do things. And but yeah, it's always good working with Zane. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Zane, for teaming up with me on this, and I'm sure we'll be back doing it again pretty soon. Thank you, guys.